I found this at the thrift store, and it kind of has a. This is the I was like a BB. This is BV shoe, and it's so cute. It's like a sparkly glitter. It's like a teddy bear. So I wonder if this is worth money bag or not. There's like a writing right here, and there's a writing right here, some right here, and I need to wipe it a little bit, but it look like the Louis Vuitton looking. It's not so bad yet. This is the back side, and this is the side, and I got it cheap at the thrift store, but it's so nice. And the writing and stuff, and then this one to see, and I just wait, and and I have that thing, but I don't want to show the price yet. Anyway, but I got it for cheap, and there's another BB Dash U, and it's not dirty at all, so still good condition, but there's no like a marking inside yet. There's like the clothing. The cloth has said BB Dash U, so I'm gonna Google yet if this is at least worth money what I paid for. So it's kind of cute. I cannot find one similar like this. So okay, let me know if you know what kind of bag is this. It look like Louis Vuitton. This is this one is adjustable. See, BB Dash U right there. There's the tag thing. Kind of cute, guys. I just need to wipe a little here. So cute bag, guys. It's like a Louis Vuitton. So we'll see how much is this. See you later.